In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Users and Accounts. Select Google over here. And after choosing Google Password Manager, hit Add Password at the top to add any password you wish. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To access Add Password option, you need at least one added, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Tap on Home button and log in to any app. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner to add your password. And go back to Google Password Manager. Hit Accounts. And choose Add Password at the top. Now input all of those informations. Over here you can type in any website or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, both of my passwords were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!